Morning guys. Morning ate. Say hi. Morning.
Morning mga kapulong. Here's Bullet.
Dad, you know why I was sleeping?
Bullet.
Why?
Hello. Good morning.
Because mom gave me medicine for sleeping.
And here's Kuya Uno. Hi. Where are we
Bibili
going?
ba tayo dito? Wala pa.
I don't know.
Kahit doon na. We are gonna go to Dolores, Quezon sa Bangkong Valley. It's going to be a raw camping.
Hero pa.
Hindi ba raw camping yun?
Mom,
Ayun, campsite kasi siya.
Campsite talaga siya. Okay. Semi lang pala.
Pero
See you later. Hi! We are already in San Pablo na ba
ay,
ito?
ito video, mama.
Ay, ayan. Sige, withdraw muna ako.
Time check. 8:11. Dumaan muna kami kay Mama Lidge. Nasa Alaminos na kami. What's up guys? Say hello. Hey, sungit. What's up kuya? Where's Buleng-Leng?
Bulayling. Bulayling. Lapit.
Punta kaming Bangkong Valley sa Dolores, Quezon. So day trip lang kami. Spontaneous trip lang kasi kahapon Saturday wala kaming nagawa. Sobrang traffic daw sa SLEX. Kita ko sa traffic update. So we've decided to stay at home. Nag city trip kami. Mitsukoshi. Sarap ng ice cream dun. Yung Hokkaido Premium Ice Cream. I would say yun yung pinakamasarap na ice cream na natikman ko kasi hindi nagsisting yung sweetness, hindi ganun katamis. Pag kinain mo parang nagki-creep lang yung sweetness niya. Hindi siya yung parang nagsisting na tamis agad. Tas milk siya eh. So sarap, try nyo, recommended. Right? Update na lang namin kayo. Bumibili na kami ng baliwag but everything's set sa likod. Bikes are all good. Yeah. Check natin si mommy. Check Pau Pau. Anything just para makaiwas natin.
So, ang pupuntahan pala namin is Mount
Hanaba.
Banahaw. Yung Bangkong Valley is nasa
Dad, I think you bumped. Dad, I think
paanan
you bumped
ng Mount
black dog.
Banahaw.
No, it's not a it's a duck. I saw it.
So, we have entered the
But they're supposed to be in the
green part.
Check some of my pictures. Some people and racism I started.
Del Garden Resort pa. Oh yes. Ganda ng house niyo. Oh.
Uy. Uphill.
I think that can be
Actually, very even wet to. Sure ka? Parang hindi kaya nag-left na tayo somewhere doon?
Ba't may nakita ka ba ni left? Wala naman na.
Holy Angels Learning Center. Rehab center. Kuya, ibang bago po. Saan pa yung ano, Bangkong Valley? Diretso pa ho? Malapit na yung entrada. Sige po, salamat po. Ay, aray na.
Ayan, oo, tama.
Morning po.
Morning po. Shoutout nga pala sa Renegade for using your RT. Rough terrain. Peace. Ako mag-guide. Magawa ko. Hindi kasi nakasagad to eh. Ba't yun? Annoying yung wind.
Hello. Morning, 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 brap, brap, brap. Brap, 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 brap. Brap, 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 brap. No, 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 bullet.
Pinapalakas na yun.
See you later, guys.
Wait lang. Kuya, punta na kami doon. Diretso lang, tapakan mo. Huwag kang bibitaw. Consistent na tapak lang. Ganda dito.
No, you go second. You just want to. But you're the second oldest.